guys, welcome to my channel. So today I'm going to do a split cup. I'm going to use these colors over here, but I'm going to take these two and put it in the first one, these two put it in the second one, these two put it in the third one, these two put it in the fourth one, and then I'm going to take and I'm just going to do all of them in the last one. Just a little bit of all of them, just for something different. I don't know what it's going to do. We'll find out. But I'm just going to play some music and let you guys watch while I fill the cup.
Yesterday I told you I think that we made a mistake, 'cause you and I, we lost our sight. It's all about give and take. I don't wanna see when you're at parties with Ollie and the others. You know I really got along with him and your family. Your ex got barely saw. Did we do it right? You know, no. Did we speak from our hearts so we could make it right without a fight? You know, no. Imagine what would happen if we did it right. It got me spinning round, round. 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 I'm standing here in plain sight. Still it doesn't seem like you see me. I hate everything about this night. Doesn't matter what I do can get to you. I don't wanna see when you're at parties with Ollie and the others. You know I really got along with him and your family. Your ex got barely saw. Did we do it right? You know, no. Did we speak from our hearts so we could make it right without a fight? You know, no. Imagine what would happen if we did it right. It got me spinning round, round. 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 Why can't we just be honest? Why can't we just be honest? Did we do it right? You know, no. Did we speak from our hearts so we could make it right without a fight? You know, no. Imagine what would happen if we did it right. It got me spinning round, round. 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 Why can't we just be honest? Why can't we just be honest? It got me spinning round, round. Think I'll try this a new way. I'm gonna show you the tricks that I know. I'm getting tired of talking, and I need more of a show right now. It's time that you made your mind up, 'cause lately all it ever does is change. Feels like we're only talking. Going round and around, back around. I will fight like no other every day. I won't stop like the others. I will stay. 'Cause now is the right time. And I'm feeling alright. I'm playing your game like I know I can win right now. You got me on tonight, 'cause loving you is like I'm walking a tightrope so high. Get you out of your comfort zone, 'cause I need more of the truth right now. It's time that you made your mind up.
Alright guys, I'm back. I've put my pillow paint down, which is actually a color to go, Sherwin-Williams in Ismore Purple. I have added American Floetrol to it to consistency. I've got my cup, and we are just going to see what we can do with it. So I'm going to play some more music, and I will just see when I'm done.
'Cause lately all it ever does is change. Feels like we're only talking, going round and around, back around. I will fight like no other every day. I won't stop like the others. I will stay. 'Cause now is the right time, and I'm feeling alright. I'm playing your game like I know I can win right now. To find out you got me on tonight, 'cause loving you is like I'm walking a tightrope so high. I won't be turning around, no, I won't be turning around. 'Cause the right time, you feeling alright. I'm playing your game like I will win tonight. Don't forget it, don't forget it, don't forget it. We'll turn this around. Don't forget it, don't forget it, don't forget it. We'll turn this around. It's a new day for a high. It's another day to try to get by. And ooh, yeah, I'm feeling now every second, every hour of the day. Yeah. It's a new day for a high. Yeah. It's a new day for good times. I just turn the page, let it write what it likes. And ooh, yeah, I feel it now. Every atom in my body feels okay. Yeah. It's a new day for good times. Flying like I'm weightless, yeah, I'm losing all my senses, and it's making it impossible to die. Everything's in motion, yeah, I'm lost in the commotion, and I've never ever felt so freaking high. I remember when you put a spell on me. It drove me flying crazy. Couldn't see back then what's now in front of me. The disco's long gone, baby. You got me good, yeah, you got me bad. And you're bad as they come, boy. Through all the blue times and the sad, you're still there. So come on and unrock my heart, let it stop. I'm a fool in love, unlock my cups, rip them off. This is photo love, you'll be my anchor while I'm the sea for all eternity. I'm a fool in love, I'm a fool in love, I'm a fool in love, I would never tell, would never fall apart. I drove my my mad heart insane. Now all I do is fly and all I see is stars. Riding that shotgun wasted. You got me good, yeah, you got me bad. And you're bad as they come, boy. Through all the blue times and the sad, you're still there. So come on and unrock my heart, let it stop. I'm a fool in love, unlock my cups, rip them off. This is voodoo love, you'll be my anchor while I'm the sea for all eternity. I'm a fool in love, 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 I'm a fool in love. So come on and unrock my heart, let it stop. I'm a fool in love, unlock my cuffs, rip them off. This is voodoo love, you'll be my anchor while I'm the sea for all eternity. I'm a fool in love, 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 I'm a fool in love.
All right, guys, I am just going to, I'm going to pick this up and then I'm going to set it up on this paint can. I'm going to wipe off the bottom because it is going to need it. I tell you, it's got a ton of paint on the bottom because I didn't clean off my spinner and the paint on my spinner was a little bit wet still, so it kind of stuck to the bottom of this one. So I'm going to have a lot of scraping on the bottom to get some of that off, but it turned out really, really super cool. I really like it. The colors and the lines and everything in it are really cool. So thank you again, Michelle from Royal River Art, for sending me my split cup. I love it. It's awesome. It's really a lot of fun, and I like the way that I layered these in the same chambers. It turned out really super cool. So all right, I'm going to finish wiping off this bottom, and then as soon as I'm done with that, I'm just going to bring you guys in for a close-up. All right, guys, here she is with the light on. She's really super cool. I really am having a lot of fun with these techniques. I really am. Super cool lines and just pretty colors. Tell me what you guys think in the comments. If you like them, please let me know. If you think I could do something different, or if you want to see me use some different colors, or I don't know, try something else I haven't tried before, let me know. I'm willing to do just about anything once, twice if I like it. And I'll specify that because I know the crowd I hang out with. So, okay, so here she is with the light on. And then I'm going to turn the light off and then do it again. And so I can show you it that way. All right, now here she is with the light off. As you can see, the colors are a little brighter now, more vivid. It shows the sparkle kind of with the light on, and then it shows more of the true colors with the light off, actually. So it's really super cool. All right, guys, I hope you have a great day or a great night wherever you are. I will just see you guys on the next one. Leave me a comment. If you like this, please, if you haven't subscribed already to my channel, please hit that subscribe button and ring that notification bell. We appreciate it. I appreciate it. All right, guys, we will just see you next time. Love you guys. Bye.